Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kraken pool, which refers to Kraken's staking service. First, ensure your Kraken account is fully verified, including identity checks. Next, deposit the cryptocurrency you wish to stake into your Kraken wallet. Finally, locate the Earn or Staking section within the Kraken platform to begin the process. Once in the staking section, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies eligible for staking, along with their estimated annual percentage yields. Carefully select the asset you wish to stake, considering the potential returns. Enter the amount you want to commit, then review all details before confirming your staking transaction. This action locks your assets for a period. After staking, you can easily monitor your staked assets and the rewards you've accumulated directly from your Kraken account dashboard. Rewards are typically distributed on a regular schedule, often weekly or bi-weekly, depending on the asset. When you decide to stop staking, simply initiate the unstaking process, though this may involve a brief unbonding period. To keep your staked assets safe, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. Remember that some assets have an unbonding period, meaning your funds won't be immediately available after unstaking. This is an important consideration for liquidity. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Always stay informed about Kraken's security updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.